So it's been a few days since it actually rained, but there's a water line. All of this vegetation on the ground was like flattened. And I'll show you how far we are from the creek. So here's another water line. See all that stuff. There's a bunch of junk that washed up out of this culvert, and there's the creek bed. Guys, come back. Good girl. There's a bunch more. I don't know where you can see it, but there's a bunch more crap that washed up. This stuff is new. The path washed out. They've been working on it. All of this, all through here. All this vegetation was flat. Let's go. They've actually worked on this quite a bit. All of this path was washed out. So all of this vegetation, and then Daz, come back. We'll go down on the other side. Oops, hang on. Daz. There we go. There's a big pile of stuff that wasn't there before. See all the stuff up in the tree? All that stuff caught in the tree, and then the water's all the way down there. I guess this will be a longer video today. They like to come down here and go in the water. Come on. Quinn, let's go. Yes, let's go. Nope, yes, come on. There we go. They weren't sure which way I wanted to go. Usually we go on the other side, but because the washout and the caution tape and all that. So this tree on top of that tree is new. That didn't used to be there. I'm going to have to get my feet wet to show you. But, so it came down and got caught there. I don't like going under this tree. This is a sycamore that fell over and is still growing. But it creeps me out to go underneath of it. The dogs don't mind at all. There, now you can see. See the other end? Got caught in the bank over there. And it got jammed through this big tree. And it'll probably be there till the next time it floods. So, there's the bridge. There's a pile of crap in that tree. And this is how the water normally is. So, floods are scary.